300 meters Ethernet extension kits. One goes at the camera ends and the other at the new network video recorder location. Hi tech lovers, welcome back to Fast Cabling. Today we're solving a real head scratcher that I bet lots of security and network installers have faced. So our story starts with a massive logistic company. They have a warehouse yard monitored by 20 crystal clear 4K cameras. All was well until they needed to move their nerve system, the network video recorder or NVR, to a new control office. There's one problem. That office was 300 meters away from the cluster. Now they did have one saving grace, a single existing Ethernet cable running between the two buildings. But you might know the golden rule of Ethernet, the 100 meters limit for standard copper cable. That's it. Beyond that, data degrades, fails, and your multi-thousand-dollar camera system becomes a fancy collection of metal and glass. But pulling new fiber was too expensive, and with a 24/7 active site, downtime was not an option. So they were stuck. And here's the thing, even if you could magically send a signal 300 meters, you need the bandwidth to handle it. We're not talking about sending an email. We're talking about 20 streams of 4K video, all flowing upstream at once. Let's do a quick math. A high-quality 4K camera might use around 20 megabit per second. 20 cameras times 20 megabit per second, that's 400 megabit per second of constant data. And that's before you factor in peak activity, overhead, and future proofing. That's why you need a solid, stable gigabit link to handle this smoothly. So our solution isn't just about distance now. It's about high-speed distance. The traditional fix, PoE extenders. You put one every 100 meters to boost the signal. But think about that. For a 300 meters run, you need to dig up the existing cable, cut it twice, bury two new waterproof boxes in the ground. It's messy, it's expensive, and it introduces more points of potential failure. It turns one long cable into 3 short segments with 2 vulnerable middles. For our logistic company, this was a non-starter. So what's the trick? Our 300 meters Ethernet extension kits. There are 2 specialized match devices, not a chain of extenders, but a pair. One goes at the camera ends and the other at the new network video recorder location. The magic happens in the space between them. They create a dedicated high-speed tunnel that completely bypasses the standard 100 meters limit, pushing a clean gigabit signal the full 300 meters on that existing cable. So there's no digging, no cutting, just 2 devices and the cable you already have. Now let's build it. First, the camera side. Here's our PoE switch, powering all our 4K cameras. And I'm going to remove the network video recorder because it's moving to a new location. Now we'll take one extender and place it nearby the switch. And for faster installation, I'm taking out the neck and the gland. Let's save it for later. Then a short patch cord to connect directly to our PoE switch. Let's mount it on our demonstration board and to our PoE switch to get the power and data. Now for the other side of our extender, we'll plug in the existing 300 meters Ethernet cable. Here we go. So this side is done. At the remote office, we do the mirror. The other end of our long cable is going to plug into our second extender. Just like this. And let's place it by our network video recorder. But one crucial point. These extenders need power too, but they don't pass power for the devices. They're data warrior. So we're going to use this PoE injector so we can power the extender here. Let's get a short patch cord, connect the output port of the injector into the extender. Place it on the board. And let's power it up. Here we go. Get another short patch cord. Connect the input port of our injector. We're connecting the injector directly to our router here. Then use the short patch cord, connect the network video recorder into the router. Let's power up our NVR and use the HDMI cable to connect our big screen monitor. All right. So the physical setup is incredibly simple. The extenders are now listening, ready to send data on the Megatron channel. Just give it a little bit of time for the network video recorder to turn on so we can look at the live video feed. Here we go. I'm going to wave my hand so you can see this is a live video feed. But for this to work flawlessly, there are two pro tips. First, the cable. This magic only works with pure copper Ethernet cable. CCA won't cut it over these distances, so it has to be the good stuff. Second, these extenders are weatherproof. They're outdoor rated, IP67 waterproof rated, but the weatherproofing is only as good as your installation. See this cable glands and neck? When you run the cable through it, you have to use a wrench to really fasten them tightly. That seal is what keeps the rain out and your signal alive for years. Now for the moment of truth, we are going to set up a speed test. Let's connect our laptop into the switch here. Here we go. I'm going to press start. So that's it. A solid gigabit-class connection over 300 meters on a single cable. More than enough bandwidth for those 20 streams of 4K video to flow without a hiccup. The network video recorder sees all the cameras instantly with smooth real-time playback. Now the relocation is a success. So today we used a matched pair of long-reach extenders to turn one impossible 300 meters run into a simple high-speed gigabit link. There's no fiber, no trenching, and no network downtime. We respected the bandwidth needs and we installed for the outdoor. This isn't just a product. This is a new way to think about solving distance problems. Now, have you ever faced a crazy cable run challenge? Let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give us a like, subscribe for more real-world tech solution, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Thank you very much for joining us, and I'll see you in our next video.